we shall move to Act 2, Scene 5. This is a scene taking place in Venice just before Shylock's house. Before Shylock's house. Before Shylock's house means just in front of Shylock's home. So we'll look into the scene in brief. So Shylock and Lancelot are indulged in a conversation where Shylock tells Lancelot that Lancelot, you will soon see the difference between him and Bassanio when he joins his service. Then also Shylock recalls his generosity, and Shylock is going to attend a dinner hosted by Bassanio, though quite unwillingly. So therefore he instructs Jessica, handing over the keys to her, to keep a strict watch of the house, and also he asks her to close all the windows and doors hearing to the masquerade by the Christians. Then also Lancelot provides a hint to Jessica that Lorenzo will meet her at night, and Jessica is hopeful of the success of their plan. Then we will go to the scene in detail. So first there are Shylock and Lancelot. Shylock tells to Lancelot, you will soon judge the difference. Your eyes shall judge the difference between me and Bassanio. Then meanwhile he is calling Jessica, and then and also tells Lancelot that you will not fill yourself with that much food as you used to fill at my service, and you will also not sleep and snore and wear out your clothes how you used to do in my service. And meanwhile in the middle he is calling, hello Jessica, what is this and all. Then after this Lancelot tells, hello Jessica, but he was not asked to do so. Therefore Shylock asks him, why are you calling her? I did not ask you to call. Then Lancelot says, your honor, you used to complain me that I never did anything unless I am told. So then now when I am doing something without being told, then you are again complaining. So after this Jessica enters. Jessica asks, did you call me? Why did you call me? Then Shylock tells Jessica that I am invited to dinner. So and he also handovers the keys of the home to Jessica. But Shylock wonders, why should I go? I'm not called, I'm not invited because they like me, but I'm invited because only to flatter me. But he's saying, and he adds that he will go not because of friendship, but he will go because of the hatred to eat the food of that extravagant Christian that is none other than Bassanio. Then he tells Jessica, my girl, please look at my home, take care of my home. I am not willing to go because I dreamt about money bags last night, and there is something bad thing is prepared against my peace of mind. Then Lancelot tells, as Shylock told that he is not willing to go to the dinner hosted by Bassanio, Lancelot tells that his young master is expecting him to come. Then also Shylock tells that then of course he will expect and of course I expect that he will have the cause to reproach me. Then also Lancelot tells that they have planned it together, and he cannot promise that Shylock can see a mask tonight. Then Shylock gets shocked and asks, what are these masks? And tells Jessica that lock my doors and the windows and do not allow that sharp notes of the pipe to enter my sober house, and do not look out to gaze at the Christian fools with painted faces. Then Shylock asks Lancelot to go, then he shall come later. Then Lancelot goes out giving a message to Jessica that look out of the window. In spite of what he has said, a Christian will pass by worth being looked upon by a Jew. Then Shylock asks Jessica, what did that descendant of Hagar said to you? That is just like a scolding. And then Jessica told that he just said farewell. Then Shylock tells that this fool is a kind fellow, but he is a terrible eater of food. He is slow as a snail in profitable work, and he sleeps in a day more than does the wild cat. So idlers cannot be housed along with him. So therefore he is parting from him, and he is also going to join the service of the one who squanders money he borrows. Then after that, Shylock tells Jessica to go in, lock the doors, and also quotes a proverb that if you lock a thing up, you will find it safe. Then this is never to an old-fashioned proverb for an economical man. Then Jessica tells farewell, and if her fortune is not bad, she is going to lose her father, and her father is going to lose her daughter. Then in the beginning we spoke about masks. So what are the masks, and why Shylock gets so angry and shocking at the sight of masks? So Shylock has a very negative attitude towards masks, as he hates its frivolity and thinks that under the grab of masks crimes happen. And then earlier Shylock rejected the offer to dine with Antonio or the Christians, but here this is taking place in the story because it is a structural necessity. It means that this is important to take place if the story has to go on in a desired direction. That is, if Shylock does not go to the dinner hosted by Bassanio, then it will be very difficult for Jessica to elope, and it will be impossible for Jessica to collect the golds and jewels if Shylock is in the house. So therefore, it is a structural necessity that Shylock should accept the invitation of dining with the Christians. So this is the end of Act 2, Scene 5.